as we know, Report Painter and even some of the features of Report Writer are really powerful. And we have, for example, the report groups, and of course, we have seen that we can, for example, assign multiple reports to a report group, and just the system will query the database and build and show the results for all those reports. But we can actually uh, take this even a step further, and this is again a great capability of just report painter, report writer, and overall the SAP system, in which we are creating our own reports, of course, using these tools. But as you probably know, I mean, you just know that in the SAP system we have some default reports, and sometimes we might want to link some of the standard reports to our own reports. And again, the possibilities are so big, let's just say they are endless, because from our report we can just harness the power of some standard reports using what we call the report interface. So that is what we want to show right now. So well, let's open the report group path so we can show you a bit more of how can we link those reports to our one of our customer specific reports. So let's start here the transaction to change a report group. So it's a GR52. Let's just double click on that one. And of course, well, we need to enter what is the ID of the report group that we want to modify. Let's go with this one, the third one that we created. So after we have entered this, let's just well, click on the header. Okay, that's fine. And well, actually, we can even complete the description because we didn't have a description here. So just let's say reports, actually like general reports for material costs. Okay, and well, what you really need to see right now is that we have the what we call the report interface. That just means that our report can call other reports, but right now everything is empty. It's saying like no reports has been have been assigned to this report group. So let's click. Actually, let's click configure. And as you can see, yes, everything is empty. We don't have anything here. So we can insert, well, like a new row, and each row will be um, a new report that we want to have that possibility to call using just our data and call the detail. So let's just click here about insert row. And of course, the system will say, okay, what is the ID of the report group that you want to have that interface created with your own report. So let's enter the first one and let's just confirm. So as you can see, well, this will be for the cost centers, it's the period breakdown, and we can compare actual and planned values. But that is not the only one that we want. Let's add a second row, and well, let's enter the ID for the next one, which is 1SHK. And then again, well, we have now the breakdown by partner. But what's also interesting is we can, for example, add like a new row, but we can call directly a report using the transaction code. So let's click here again the insert row. But now we will go with this other option we here other report type. So let's click that one, and let's select just well TR, which stands for transaction. Actually, as you can see, we can call some other connection there. So again, the possibilities they are just like pretty much endless. So right now we just want to call directly the KSB1 transaction. So let's just enter that transaction code, which as you can see is the cost center's actual line items. So let's go with that one. And again, just to double check and just for me to show you again, we can call BW queries, SAP queries that we have defined in the query builder, ABAP reports even, just report painter reports. I mean, again, the possibilities are so big. But okay, right now we want this tree, so let's just save this, and let's save the report group. And that's pretty much what we wanted. So let's quit this transaction, and let's just close the session for the time being. And tomorrow, in the next one, we will see a bit more of how can we call one report from this report group to calling another standard report from SAP. So we of course invite you to check that one, which will be the next one.